This custom residence sits on 2 lots in the upscale Stonebridge neighborhood, which is located conveniently to Capshaw Elementary School and downtown Cookeville. This thoughtfully designed home provides plenty of family gathering room and an excellent floor plan made for entertaining. All 5,300 square feet of this residence show off exquisite materials and attention to detail. The main level features 2 master suites, 4 total bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and a large fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances and a center work island, plus an oversized eat-in area. The family room fireplace boasts charming built-ins. An amazing media room, located on the lower level with attached full bath, is among the defining details of this light-filled residence. The entranceway features a crystal chandelier that matches the crystal light in the adjoining generously sized formal dining room. A large bonus room on the upper level is perfect for an exercise room or playroom.